What's up, guys? It's October 14th, 2024. We had a nice bull trend in the market. I don't know why I'm doing that. We had a nice trend in the markets. A lot of leg twos that came from the EMA. Sometimes when we buy leg twos, we have to buy into momentum, and we're buying far away from the EMA. But I was actually surprised about the amount of plays we got off of the EMA, and that's cap risk. I didn't capitalize as much as I could on today's moves. I overtraded on Friday a little way too much, so my goal today was to just reel it in, and I did that. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Daily 45. We don't even look at. I look at the 45-minute intraday, but I don't even talk about it. Okay, big bar, double top, pull back, breakout. Remember, double top doesn't mean reversal; it just is a breakout mode. Double top, double bottom. What am I saying? Hold on. Double top, double bottom. We went sideways, range bound. Here's that double bottom here and here. We break out today. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bar rally, first pullback, and then we rally again. Bulls are in charge. Like, if you guys go back and listen to the other ones, I'm like, oh yeah, no follow through at highs. Oh yeah, it's like, I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut about the Bulls from now on. Clearly, I don't know nothing about the Bulls and how high they're willing to buy. I mean, because I'm looking at this price, I'm like, man. I looked at this, I was like, okay. And then we gap up with continuation. I'm like, man, the Bulls are in charge. I gotta stop playing around and saying no follow through. We're getting follow through. We got another gap. Not the strongest gap because it's bear bar, bull bar, bear bar. So let me just get this in line here for everyone so we are all on the same page. So see how this first bar right here is a bear bar, bull bar, bull bar. Not the strongest gap because we want to see 3 bull bars. But nonetheless, it's a gap and it's at highs. It's also not a big gap. Depending on tomorrow's price action, we might see another gap here. And the bigger the gap gets later in the trend, the more climactic it can get. If we're ranging, I'm counting leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. Or I'm not even talking about reversals. Bulls are in charge. Gap up, bar 1, 2, 3, 4. All bull bars, I think, strong enough for a second leg. And we get that in several forms. As price moves on, okay, here's that second leg. Then we get a deeper pullback. And now here's that second leg, right? Leg 1, leg 2. Leg 1, leg 2s don't have to be symmetrical. Then we get the pullback right here. And now you can say, hey. Here's that second leg. So something like this of that nature, you buy one of these bars and you could take it to the recent highs. Then we see this second leg and it's our job to reassess. Okay, so is this leg strong enough to get its own second leg? Well, the answer is yeah. Here it is. And now look within this price action. Is these bars 55 through 59 strong enough to get its own second leg? I was hesitant, but there were gaps open. Here, and here. 60 being pullback. This did not trade one tick lower. So market order bears that just market ordered double top bar 60 are just straight up trapped. It did not trade one tick lower. They had no chance to make a profit if they entered in the markets here. They bought back leg 2. Now we have this whole price structure. Is this price structure strong enough to get to leg 2? Well, in this case it was. I was just like looking like, wow, this thing is chugging. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. And now we start to see climactic price action. Strong reversal 77. So yeah, a lot of leg 1, leg 2s. Again, I'm going to draw the ABCD pattern. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please check out yesterday's video. I kind of explained it nicely, I think. And if I didn't, please let me know and I will do it again. Why? I just want a nice straight. Okay, that's not how you see I'm very good with this mouse. I don't know why I did it like that. B. C. Way bigger than I expected. D. I don't like any of that. A. B. C. Oh my gosh. Okay, last try, no matter how it looks. C. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Okay, last try. That's better. Come on. Okay, I can live with that. A, B, C, D. So let's keep this in mind. And remember, this isn't anything special. It's just a way for us to say, is this breakout strong enough to get a leg 2? B and C is the pullback. Sometimes B and C can have its own leg 2. Let's frame the day with this in mind. What have I done? Too many pens. Aye, aye, aye. Alright, we're just gonna leave it like that. You guys know it. What? There we go. Okay, anyways. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. 2 legs right there. You guys see how this can really help us frame the day, A, B, C, D, in terms of strong breakout, what type of pullback do we need, and where's it going to take us? So we have multiple gaps open in the rally, strong enough for its own leg 2, and that gets its own leg 2 here, and then bears get its leg 2, leg 1, pullback, leg 2 into the EMA. This leg was strong enough to have it some sort of residual bearish pressure. I'm not saying it gets a breakout leg 2, but look at bars 23 and 24. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. That leg 3 creates a higher low. Bears cannot take out the bullish structure, and then bulls rally and they take out the bearish structure. 1, 2, 3, 4 bar rally. I think this is good enough for its own second leg. And look at the price action from this. So we have a 4 bar spike, 27 to the high of 31, pullback, and then we start to channel. Get about 3-4 legs up. 43 is climactic. 2 bar reversal into the EMA. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Traps bears. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Pullback, leg 3. If you guys watched bar 55 form, it raced down and then filled all the way back up. Trapping bears. Bears that got short here are now trapped. They have to buy back shorts or they have to short higher. There's so much bull pressure we've had at this point in time. Bar 54 is a bar 49 and 54 are the first couple of bars below the EMA. They're not even below the EMA. They're just piercing the EMA. So if you see that, are you that eager to get short? If you are, you have to if you're shorting this, if you're gonna short 54, you're looking for this kind of movement, I think. I don't think you're gonna expect this kind of movement. The best the bears could do right now is get a range. It's pretty rare that we go from bull trend to bear trend. Usually it'll be a bull trend trading range, bear trend, or bull trend trading range, bull trend. We don't really know. But getting bears who got short today is the reason the market kept going higher, is because they were getting trapped. When bears get trapped, they have to buy back their shorts. When they buy back their shorts, that adds to the bullish pressure. And bulls are buying the EMA at the same time. So one market participant is forced to do something, the other market participant wants that. The bulls want the bears to do that. So bulls are trapping bears. Trapped. If you're a strong bear and you held, well, you could short here. And let's see. For all the bears I got short on 15 and was too stubborn to let go. Oh wait, it would be like this, excuse me. Okay, so if you shorted 15 and never got out, so you should reversal, and you just held. Crazy hold. You get short on the high of 76, you would get out, break even. I don't think that is worth it at all. If you're in a bad trade, just get out as fast as you can realize it's a bad trade. wait for the correct setup, and take it. 1-to-1. I was looking at 1-to-ones today, but my very like 1-to-1 play was this, and it just never came. Well, it did come, but I did not hold for this long. So it came, I just did not hold. That was my original 1-to-1, and I had to get a little bit dicey. I only took a couple trades today. I took this. I took bar 51, and I took bar 51 with this expectation, but I had to get out on 55 because it was racing down. I got out like one tick below 54. Yeah, really cool day for the Bulls. So let's go over 1-to-ones, and then we're to go over the gaps. 1-to-1 is met once you get back in the pool back here. You can buy here, here, buy the lows. It's all met. It's met. You have many chances to catch 1-to-1 of the initial rally. If you're going to be a little more wiry, here's a 3-bar rally, deep pullback, you get your 1-to-1. We have a 4-bar rally here. Let's see, I didn't measure this one. By the pullback, you eventually get 1-to-1, but you got to sit through some heat. Then we go sideways for more price action. Then we see bars 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Opposite bar 60, end of the channel. 1-to-1 is met here, right there. So what I mean by that, so we buy this bar. I buy this bar. This is my entry. I didn't do this. I'm just hypothetically speaking. I buy this bar, stop loss here, take profit there, and the bet is the probabilities are better for bulls to see higher prices. So yeah, we're trading price action and we're adding probabilities in the mix. That's why I'm going for 1-to-ones now instead of all this crazy 2-bar la la la. It's just going to be 1-to-1, trade the probabilities till I'm consistent, and then I can start looking for more. So where are the channels? We did this one. If you wanted to go 1-to-1 here, you could, but you'd get 150% pullback. That was met. That was met. Then we were just talking about this channel. That was met. Now let's talk about this price action here. You see this? If you're quick enough, that's a 3-bar micro channel. It's really weak. I wouldn't really buy it. But if you do, that's met. If you see 75, you're like, wow, I think bulls can keep going higher. Get 1-to-1 there. I don't trade after unless I'm like writing out a trend. I'm not trading after 72. And realistically, if you're not gonna trade after 72, that means this price action has to be set up for you to enter around 72. So, you know, if you start to not even see a setup here, you might have to ask yourself, if you're trading micro channels, you know, if you're doing your own thing and you're just hanging out around here, that's great too. But for me, I'm trading breakouts, which is micro channels are a form of a breakout. It's breakout, follow through and pullback, which would be A, B, and C. And I'm looking for C and D. It works out. I like it. It's easier to be patient. I have a nice big gap here that stays open for the whole day. Another gap here. Get a gap here. And the bear gaps are getting closed. Bull gaps are staying. That's the 0 height. Bear gaps are getting closed. Bull gaps are staying open. That says something, right? If you're looking to get short, where's the trap bulls? We like trap traders because they add to the trend. They add to our side. I trade always in only. I'm not really looking for mean reversion trades for the foreseeable future. It's not. I think it's important for all of us to become experts at one thing. So I've chosen 3-bar micro channels is what I'll be trading. I know if you guys I've been switching up a little bit from the beginning of this year to this year, and again, that's just where the breakouts have taken me. It's not that I'm flip-flopping. It's that I was trading breakout and follow through. I was getting crushed because breakout and follow through means I'm looking for major reversals. Most reversals are minor. 80% of reversals will be minor. Look at every bear breakout today. It ended up being minor. Minor reversal. Minor reversal. Minor, 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 minor. And hell, we'll see if we get a gap up, and even this price action was minor. And in reality, if I was to trade leg ones, I don't know where I would get long on this. I would have to essentially just accept I'm trading the EMA. It's not necessarily leg one. So that's why I'm trading micro channels now, because they just make a little more sense. Let me know how you guys are doing. If you guys like these where I go over what's more trade based, a little more free form instead of talking about bar by bar. I just came to the conclusion, you know, there's a lot of people doing bar by bar that are great at reading price action, and I think they should hold that crown. I would like to just talk about trades and try and put money in people's pockets because that's what I needed when I first started. It's just what makes sense, you know. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think that's acceptable to go for 1-to-1 here. I would not buy 75 because of the bar 72 rule, but you know. 1-to-1 was met. So yeah, this gap stayed open and bears tested it once on 19 and 25, and then we sold off. And then we rallied. Excuse me, we did not sell off. All right, guys. So here's the chart. There's the gaps. There's the trades. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you guys are doing. Yeah, I'm looking forward to you guys telling me about your trades if you're making money. If you learned something, share the show. I would really appreciate it. Tell a friend. This is where you go to get started. Have a good one, guys. I hope you guys had a good Monday. I hope we all have a fruitful week and make a lot of money. And I'm looking forward to Halloween, even though I'm not going out. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.